Now, if you guys notice, his tail's a different color. I think his body's getting ready to shed and or his tail is, but that's why it's different colors. His legs are too, so it's either his body's getting ready to shed or the legs. I think it's the body. And guys, since Lieutenant Dan's around a year old, he eats 50% greens and veggies and 50% bugs. This is a bug day. He doesn't eat bugs like this every day. Same thing with CJ. She's almost 2, so she's actually closer to like 75%, 3 days of fruits and veggies, 1 day of bugs. So yeah, no, when they're little, all bugs. When they're older, I noticed that they're healthier and their colors are more vibrant, and it might be a pain trying to teach them how to switch over to that diet. I found that bee pollen helps out. But yeah, here, I like doing tests like this to see what their favorite foods are. So guys, I'm gonna put 2 mealworms and 2 superworms in there, and we're gonna see which one Lieutenant Dan goes for first. Mealworm, huh? Guys, this is hilarious. This is CJ's personality. She's gonna show up on the screen and you'll see. And to the newer viewers, this tank I actually made. It's a 320 gallon custom tank, and I made it for the original Chuck Norris, who I started this channel from, because he was also a rescue. That's why her name was CJ. I didn't want to name her Chuck Jr. because I didn't know if it was going to be a boy or a girl. And that's why it's CJ, and it could just be whatever. I don't even know the initials. Anyone got any good ideas of what the CJ stands for? But I took that name from a Chuck Norris movie called The Lone Wolf, and the guy's character in the name of the movie was J.J. McQuaid. So I changed it to C.J. McQuaid, and she's not the lone wolf, she's the lone dragon. Because I didn't know if she was a boy or a girl when I got her. She was only 17 grams when I got her. She weighs 450 now, and she's just an amazingly beautiful creature. She's not even 2 yet, probably about 1.5 years, still growing. And look at poor Cheech. Now guys, this isn't sped up or slowed down. Watch how much water this dude drinks. This is crazy. Yeah, sorry I called her a dude. It's just something I say. But she's an amazing little lady, and she's drinking the crap out of this water. I don't know where I got that thing from, but it's supposed to be for like when you take your dog or something out runs. It's like a keychain, and it actually collapses down. So it's like a perfect height bowl for her. And then I don't have to leave it in her enclosure because I don't want the humidity to be too high. And I do have a humidity / heater tester, and everything is good in their cages. I have some more updates about her tomorrow, but yeah, stay rad, everyone.
Thirsty girl, huh?
So I found that sometimes the sound of water, running water, or if you just, swirl it around like that, then the dragon recognizes it as water, and some type of subconscious lets her know that it's water, and then she just keeps drinking. And multiple times a day she drinks like this, and it's kind of a pain when you have to try to soak her or anything, because if you have like betadine or anything in the solution, you don't want her drinking that. So I have to just use just water now, and then make a betadine solution and put it like on Q-tip to hold it on her nose to clean it out, then rinse it out, and then put Neosporin on. But everyone, stay rad again, and have a great day.
And it's Neosporin on it. She still got a soak for the day, but she was basically drinking the bath water, and then I get worried about it when I go to try to put like something for her to soak in.
Yet she's still continuing to drink water. I'm running out of stuff to update you guys about, but this is genuinely uncut. That's how much water this dragon drinks. So I have more updates coming soon. Stay tuned and stay rad.
She is a thirsty gal.